Good morning, dear children. Today we will start lesson 3, Simplicity in Life. What does simplicity means? The quality of having no decoration or unnecessary extra things, being natural and not complicated. Let me explain the meaning of simplicity with the help of a story. Nisha and Princey were having discussion about Manu's birthday party, and we are discussing about the gift to give him. Meanwhile, Princey's mother tells that she can suggest a good gift. Manu doesn't lack dresses or toys. They all will simply decorate our shelves without usage. We make many and other unnecessary expenses. We waste food, purchase new fashionable dresses, toys, ornaments, and decoration items. When we waste food, we waste our money, energy, effort, water, and love. Princey's mother suggested, why not you write all the abilities, talent, and strength he has on a paper and make a colorful printout of it and present to him? Mother told, we have to learn to collect and save whatever is extra and make it available for others. As children, you have to start small saving schemes. Now, let me tell you another example of Ryan. Ryan Herjak is a Canadian boy who collected money by working and used it for others. When Ryan was in first grade, his teacher taught him about the importance of pure drinking water. During her class, she once spoke about the African countries that had hard time for potable water and even its access. Deeply moved by this, Ryan took a decision in that classroom itself. In order to get pure drinking water for the people, he decided to dig a well in Uganda. He pursued his parents to pay him for all the little work he did at home. He collected $70, but then he heard to dig a well in Uganda, they need $2,000. He started sharing about his idea with the school clubs and family. Many of its friends gave their contribution to Ryan. With the collected money, he supported to dig a well beside the Angola Primary School in Uganda, Africa. Then that project developed a Ryan Well Foundation. Ryan's simple native school project had blossomed from the dreams to the reality that did not end up with Ryan. The dream of this school boy could build over 1,000 water and sanitary projects, and more than 8 lakh people could benefit from them. Little start by Ryan became the foundation of a big project. If a little boy could do this, we can do something more than this. If our simplicity reaches up to earning and sharing like Ryan, it can transfer the world. Saint Chavra tells us about a rich man who gave a banquet to show off his richness. He arranged a banquet in his house and invited many people, including those he knew and whom he did not know. The banquet was very luxurious. Due to his unnecessary expenses, he became a poor man and eventually a debtor. This story teaches us to spend according to our income. You might have learned about Mahatma Gandhi. When the Mahatma was asked why he does not wear a shirt, he said, "When crores and crores of people of this country live without having enough clothes to wear, how can I wear a shirt?" This was the decision of Gandhiji to identify with the poor. So, children, simplicity will help us to understand the needs of less fortunate ones of the society. Simplicity will help us to lead a happy and peaceful life. Simple life and high thinking are the symbols of great people. So, children, lead a simple life. Let your life be a message to others.